How to connect Claude with LinkedIn. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly giving you a walkthrough on how you're going to be connecting your Claude AI to your LinkedIn in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to your Claude, and right about here, you're going to go over to your settings. And once you go to your settings, here you're going to find connectors. And in your connectors, you're obviously going to go ahead to add and click on browse connectors. Once you hit browse connectors, it's going to search all those different connectors for you. Now, of course, there is no direct connection with LinkedIn, even if you type it in. Okay, you won't find it here. But how can we do it? We're going to do it through Zapier. So what you're going to do is you're going to add Zapier and hit connect to Claude. Now what Claude does is it opens up your browser, as you can see, and you're going to want to make sure that your Zapier is good to go and logged in. Now what it's going to do is it's going to use an MCP connection through an MCP server. So as you can clearly see, Zapier is going to load things in. Now over here, it says Claude wants to access your Zapier account. You're going to copy this prompt, and what you're going to do is paste this prompt into Claude to run your first tool call. So I've copied it. I'm going to allow and run the authorization for myself. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward till now. No technicalities involved whatsoever. And once we've done that, as you can see, Zapier is going to load things in directly into your Claude as so. And there you go. It says your Zapier is connected to Claude. So once that is done, obviously you're going to add in the prompt to, call it. So as you can see, it's going to call that for us. And while that happens, what you're simply going to do is you're going to start a Zap with LinkedIn. Okay. And you can literally go over to MCP server right here, which will give you the connection through Claude. And of course, that one single connection that you've made is, what's going to help you go ahead and work around with things. Okay, so we have different MCP servers over here, but what you can do is you can literally hit add app, and right over here, you can add in LinkedIn. And once you add in LinkedIn over here, you can choose what you want to do with LinkedIn. So create company update, create share update, etc. You're going to hit connect and simply connect your LinkedIn account. And from here on out, you're good to go. That is how you're going to be connecting your Claude to your LinkedIn. And you can pretty much directly apply those things through Claude as well once you've fully connected it to Zapier. And there you go. You have the full onboarding right here with your LinkedIn connected. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.